We have come to the most significant part of the ceremony, the distribution of certificates. We would like to request our principal, Mr. Jason A. Iyas, and our preschool level head, Miss Des Baby Contabay, for the distribution to be assisted by the respective class advisors. Certificates will be given first to preparatory purple lilac class with their advisor, Miss Geraldine B. Cornelio, to be followed by preparatory Ontario, anchored by their class advisor, Miss Mary Joanne Engan.
Nakita kayo?
Next in line are preparatory
Nakita na kayo?
with their advisor, Miss Justine Jedina J. Hindi, followed by preparatory Mountain Laurel with their advisor, Miss Maria Teresa C. Curtis. The preparatory Orchids with their advisor, Miss Judy C. Ross. Preparatory Peach Blossom with their advisor,
Cute
Miss
naman ito.
Donaldine B. Ante. Preparatory Scarlet Carnation with their advisor, Miss Sandra B. Asano. Preparatory Sweet Williams with their advisor, Miss Joyce A. Serabilio. And lastly, we have the preparatory Yellow Bell with Miss Rosalie C. Francisco.
Good morning. I have the honor to present the movers from Preparatory Purple Lilac School Year 2015-2016, starting with Adonis Ezekiel E. Basa Joel Amber B.
Joel.
Briones Christian Zander H.
2010. 5 years old.
De los Reyes Gabriel Luis D. Francia Marcus John A. Makasobo Mark Elvin Daniel C. Marilag Jaden Adrian O.
May picture pala.
Militante Shola Miguel B.
May picture pala sila sa taas din. Te, may picture sila. Ayun oh.
Mirador Ralph D. Miranda Maverick Miguel D. Pineda Von Edric D. Tara Helios L.
Babae na.
Bordales Daniel K. V.
Sinabi ni Jom Jamal about
Caneo Liam Loren O. Lat Zoe Justin B. Lumano Jamila Asha B. Mishano Giselle Rose G. Perez Alia Crizel F. Ramos Anesha Nicole G. Rose Ayla Chanel V. C. Vanessa Asia E.
Lucky for Jam Jam, she needs to graduate. Why did you?
Tamayo
Bakit po ako
Maurice
ay
Arwen D.
nagsasarit?
Tano Maria Trudel J. Torres Brian B. And the last but not the least, we have Ventura Daniel Grace V. Thank you and congratulations.
Good morning. I am honored to present the movers of Preparatory from school year 2015 to 2016. Starting with Ascension Howard L. Ragais Wali Islam L.